Tired of waiting for your DasherDirect card in the mail? Let's unlock the secret to instant spending of your DoorDash earnings in physical stores. First things first, open your DasherDirect app. This is your central hub for all things earnings and spending. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. It's free and essential. Next, find the virtual card section within the app. It's usually located on the home screen or under a card tab. Tap on it to reveal your virtual card details, your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, the magic happens. You'll see options to add your virtual card to mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Choose your preferred wallet and tap on the corresponding button. This will securely transfer your card details to your chosen platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You might need to verify your identity or agree to the terms and conditions. This is a crucial step for security, so follow each prompt carefully. That's it. You are officially ready to use your DasherDirect virtual card for in-store purchases. Simply go to any store that accepts mobile payments. Hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal and confirm the transaction using your phone's security features, like Face ID or a passcode. Enjoy seamless, contactless payments using your DoorDash earnings. This is a game changer for quick and easy spending. Don't forget to subscribe for more Dasher tips and tricks.